Hen-sized birds with a striking purple-blue coloration have been spotted near the Arai Bridge, along the road leading to the Guruvanam RTO ground in Kanhanad. These birds have been identified as Purple Swamphens, recently renamed Grey-headed Swamphes, which are residents of our marshy wetlands. Careful observation reveals their variable greyish plumage on the head, the feature that inspired their newer English name and scientific designation, Porphyrio poliocephalus, from Latin. Polios equals grey, cephalus equals head. Although they may appear purple-blue at first glance or from a distance, closer inspection shows a green sheen on the back and a turquoise shimmer on the wings. According to the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, they are classified as least concern.